Nice to meet you. I'm your presenter today.
Hey, if you want to create a talking avatar like this, then watch this video. Okay, let's begin. First, go to canva.com and click videos and click video again. It's gonna take you to this page. Here, click apps, type Hey Gen, AI avatars. So it will present you with a lot of AI avatars. You can pick the one that you want. I'm just gonna select this one. Click open. So if you have a image, you can select one, but I don't wanna choose a image. I already have an image here, so I'm just gonna select one from the default list. Let me select one. Choose an avatar. Yeah, I chose this as an avatar. So here type what you want the avatar to say. Nice to meet you. I'm your presenter today. So here you can select, would you like to have a professional female voice or male voice? So here you can choose your own audio file as well if you want to. So I'm just gonna click generate a video. So it's generating the video. It's gonna take a while. So it's done. It already created the video. Now we can add it to our design.
Nice to meet you. I'm your presenter today.
That's it. Now we have generated a AI avatar video for free. Thank you. Bye.